Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can join clips in CapCut app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your CapCut app, and once your app gets opened up, you need to start a new project or select the old one you were working on. And after you have selected one project, all you need to do is simply tap on the plus sign on the right hand side and select any of other clips you want to add. If you keep on repeating this step to add new videos, this will lead you to join different clips in CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos on how to do things on CapCut. Thank you for watching.